Hey guys, so it's Friday. So my goal is to every week on Friday have a Friday fun day and give you one or two, maybe three really fun recipes that you can do with your kids either over the weekend or during the summer because we have a lot of summer breaks going on, or something you can do at summer camp with your kids, which is what I've done with a lot of these. So at summer camp, every year we get the school lunch thing, and every school lunch has some kind of applesauce with it. So here I have, this is a strawberry applesauce, original applesauce, peach applesauce, and blueberry applesauce. That's new for this year. So every year we get like an abundance of applesauce, and the kids don't love the applesauce. So we always try to figure out something we can do with this. We've made smoothies, we've done all kinds of other things. So today I'm gonna try to make some fruit leather, which is similar to fruit by the foot, I suppose. So hopefully we're gonna see how this works out. So you and I are gonna experiment together. So you need the applesauce. So you can use one flavor, you can use a bunch. I thought if I did them kind of like laid them out in a row, that maybe they would be like different flavors. You also need a cookie sheet and some parchment paper to line that cookie sheet with, and a spoon or spatula or something to that effect. So let's see how this goes. Alright, so basically the whole idea is we're gonna lay these out and bake them at a very low temperature. So set the oven at whatever your lowest temperature is. Mine is 180. So my oven's currently at 180. And we're going to lay these out and we're going to put them in there. The recipe says 5 hours. So we're going to try it out. I'm not sure. So basically it just kind of says to like smooth it on. Totally experimenting with this. Sometimes these are recipes that I know and I've done. And other times these are recipes that I'm like, I got nothing. So this is kind of trying to figure out what we can do with what we have. So we're going to like put this in here, and I'm thinking like we don't want it super thick, right? I don't know. We're gonna try this out. So let's do, we got the blue right there. Kind of smooth it out. Try to make it like, I'm thinking we should make it even, so that you don't want holes in it. You don't want it to be super thick, but you also don't want it to be thin enough that you can see the parchment, like really see the parchment. So I think that's probably good for the blue one, blueberry. I'm just gonna use the same spoon because this one, I think this is peach maybe. So add the peach in. I guess if it overlaps a little, it's cool. It's gonna have to be because that's what's happening right now. Oh, this one smells good. I'm not a big applesauce fan either, so yeah. So we're gonna smooth this out. And that one's just gonna be a nice little blend. Alright, and then I guess let's do, I think this is the strawberry one. So let's do the strawberry one. On it. Now we just need a little craft to do with the cups and we'll be fine. You know, teachers, they don't waste anything. And it's summer, so yeah. Alright, so I was hoping to put all 4 flavors on here, but I think we're gonna have to do 3 flavors because our pan's full. Alright, so it's all on here nice and even, the best I could get it. And yeah, so I'm gonna stick this in the oven. It says 5 hours, so we're gonna time it at your lowest temperature. So mine's 180, so we're gonna stick it in the oven and I'm gonna check on it about every hour and see how it's looking. So stay tuned. Okay, so it has been about 4 hours now, and it looks really I don't know, weird. It's like not wet anymore. It's very sticky. So I'm gonna let it cool and see what happens. Alrighty guys, so Some of the thicker parts took a little longer to get done, but it's fine. I just stuck it back in the oven until it was all this like kind of consistency where you could peel it off. So right here, just like this, you can totally peel it off all the way down. And so what you're supposed to do is take some scissors, which I have right here, that are covered in powdered sugar, and just kind of cut them into strips. And then roll it up. The ones around the edge are a little more crispy than I'd like it, so I think definitely make sure that all the way around is good. All the way around that's like the same level. And then just like that, unroll, and you have your very own homemade, delicious, nutritious, very healthy fruit by foot. So if you try this recipe, rate, comment, subscribe, tell me what you think, and let me know if you did anything differently. Alright guys, so we cooked it, or we baked it for about 5 hours, and then we pulled it out. And I showed you how to roll it and cut it and all that good stuff, but I wanted to taste it because I mean, if it doesn't taste good, it kind of pointless, right? So we have the blueberry here, and then I think we did peach and then strawberry maybe. So I'm gonna go with this end. It's very very fruit by the footy. It's not very sticky though, so I guess I'm just gonna dig in. I'm very surprised because I was really scared, but it legitimately has the actual like texture of a real fruit by the foot. I'm pleased, and these are super healthy, like super healthy, because the it was unsweetened applesauce or whatever. Like naturally sweet applesauce, I guess. Super good. Definitely try them.